everyone to this video. In this video, I'll be telling you about how to change your default settings of shapes in PowerPoint. So, let's get started. So first, let me insert a rectangle. So to do that, let's go to Layout, Blank, and then we'll go to Insert, Shapes, and then a rectangle. So here you can see this is the current default shape. So it's a blue shape with a dark blue outline. But mostly we have to change the color or the line every time we have to use it. And for example, you're making an illustration in PowerPoint. So when you're making an illustration, you want every shape that is inserted to be a little bit transparent, have a vibrant color, and have a thick outline. So it would be very tedious for you to every time go to format shape and then you have to increase its transparency and then choose the fill and then choose the line. So it would be very tedious to do that. So instead of doing the hard way, let's do it the smart way. So first you can insert any shape. It doesn't have to be a rectangle, and then you can format it the way you will. For example, the vibrant color can be this gold. And then for the outline, let's have a black outline, and let's have a thick outline. We can go here, white, and make its way to 4.5 points. And now we can go to format shape and increase its transparency to 50%. Yes, and then to set it as your default shape, you can right click it and then set as default shape. Let's click on that, and now when you insert shapes now, it would have the same formatting as this shape. Pretty handy, right? And if you're making diagrams, let me just delete it. Yes, so if you're making diagrams, you can go to the shape fill and go to no fill, and then you can have a thick outline like we have here, and then you can make that as your default shape. And then now you can basically make diagrams. You can insert shapes like this, and you can easily make diagrams. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel because it would help us immensely. Brainy Brothers are signing up for now. Bye bye. See you soon.